Let's talk about the 777 method. When it comes to manifestation techniques, it can get quite overwhelming, and there are so many techniques out there. Sometimes we tend to overcomplicate things, so I am calling this series Back to Basics. I'm going to do quick recap videos on certain manifestation techniques so you can go and manifest all of your desires. If you want to know how you can use the 777 method with another very powerful technique, watch until the end because I'm sharing a little bit later on. The 777 method is one of my favorites because it doesn't take a lot of effort. It's pretty straightforward and you don't have to spend a lot of time. How it works is, as with every manifestation technique out there, you first need to get really clear on what you want and also make sure that you believe, at least to a certain level, that it can happen for you. So often we have dreams, but our limiting beliefs are in the way and we don't really believe. It's important at least to have a little bit of hope, a little bit of belief that it can happen for you. If you're not sure if that manifestation technique is right for you, try it with something that you can actually believe and see it happen. Second step is taking a piece of paper and writing this affirmation, this desire, in the present tense or as it's already happened 7 times on a piece of paper. Don't need to do this at a specific time. You don't need to do it multiple times a day like the 369 method. Then you're going to do it for the next 7 days, 7 consecutive days. Really bring this intention into your subconscious. 7 times the affirmations for 7 consecutive days. A couple of tips. If you are a morning person, that would be the perfect opportunity to write your 7 affirmations 7 times in the morning. If you feel more energetic later at night, maybe in the night, if you're a night owl, do it then. Go with your natural state of flow and your natural energy levels. Everybody's different and everybody has their ups and downs. If you are feeling low and you're going into this manifestation technique with, oh my God, I have to do this now because it's day 4 and I committed to the 7-day challenge, I have to write it. You're going in with a negative mindset, not with your most joyful self. So really make sure that you use your own natural rhythm of the day to enhance your manifestation. There is no set rule on how you exactly do this. So go with how it feels right for you. If you want to spread it out throughout the whole day, go do that. However you choose to write your affirmations, I want you to get really into the energy, into the intention that comes with your desire and your wish while you write it down. As I said, your energy levels play a huge role on that. So if you don't have energy, might not be the right time to do that. But if you feel energetic, you just had your morning cup of coffee and you're like, yeah, let's do this. Really get clear on your wish, and while you're writing it, stay in the intention as if your desire is already fulfilled. What do you do after the 7 days are over? I like to keep the piece of paper, I fold it and I keep it in an envelope and I tuck it away. It's a little bit of a ritual to just let it go and be finished with it. Some people like to burn their things to write it down and send it to the universe. It's really up to you. You could also fold up the paper and use it in a crystal grid. I just recently uploaded a video about it, so I will link it up here. That way you can combine 2 really powerful manifestation techniques. If you're familiar with mirror work, basically pretending or acting as if your manifestations have already come true. As the method suggests, you do that in the mirror, looking yourself eye to eye, connecting and just celebrating yourself for the things that are in your life or that you've achieved through manifesting. Mirror work can take a lot of work, but something that is a little bit easier, I find, is the yes, yes, yes technique. It is so easy and you might feel silly in the beginning, but if that trick can get your manifestations closer and faster to you, why not? What you're doing is standing in front of the mirror and pulling both arms down to your sides. I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to stand in front of the mirror, reach up your hands, and you're going to pull them into you. And all you're going to do is say yes, yes, yes. As I said, it might feel so silly, but if it can get you faster and closer to your manifestations, why not do it? You just get pull and say yes, yes, yes. And if you want to, you can dance around in front of your mirror, you can put on a playlist. Just do whatever you want to bring you into a high vibration. While I'm doing the yes, yes exercise, I try to come back to the intention of what I want to manifest, or act as if it's already happened and you're celebrating it. Yes, it's there. Yes, I got it. Let me know if you try that out for yourself. And let me know what other techniques you want to do a quick basic video about. I talked about earlier, there is one other manifestation technique that has to fail me yet. I'm gonna put this video up here. Please, please watch it. It's so important and it's so incredible. Go and be your favorite self. I see you soon.